Today we're going to talk about making tangram pictures. So that's a new word for you, tangram. And what it is, it's 7 of these shapes. So you have to stick to these 7 shapes. The colors, you can have whatever color you like. And when you cut these 7 shapes out, you can make different things from them by just either flipping them or turning them or sliding them to a different spot. So a tangram is an ancient or an old Chinese shape puzzle. So you take this big square here and divide it carefully into 7 different shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wonderful and creative shapes and pictures can be made with these shapes by moving them around. That's pretty good. So let's create some tangram pictures. So these are the different shapes. And then from that, they have made, from these pictures here, they have made this. It's a cat. Now can we take these same shapes, rearrange them, and make a different sort of cat? They've made 3 different cats in different positions using the same shapes. It's pretty good. Using the same shapes, they've made a rocket. They're not adding any more shapes. They're not taking away any more shapes. Did you slide them, flip them, or turn them or rotate them? So that's all we're doing with these shapes to make the rockets. Some more rockets. You can even make some candles. You can actually make anything you like. So you're going to start with making the letter of your first name next. Okay,